Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily update on Solana. And there's enough to talk about again, because what I was afraid of happened again. I mean, in my eyes, and I might have to come back. I might have to come back on this because it doesn't seem to be true. But in my eyes, $75 really was a strong support level, and or at least a strong key level. And maybe it's not as strong as a support as it is resistance. But here you can see, historically, I mean, $75, $76 has been respected a lot. The level might be a little bit higher, a little bit, this could be true, I'm not sure. But all right, so what happened yesterday, and we did talk about this in the video, right? So if you watched the video yesterday, then you were prepared for this, because what I said, and we're scrolling back, give me some time. What I said yesterday, of course, I mean, before we talk about the technicals, it's good to know, like Solana technically right now is still bullish. Even though we have given up a strong support level, it still is bullish. And I think most of you know this by now, but the Solana ecosystem is absolutely popping off, or at least it was yesterday. Yeah, now total value locked still almost at $1 billion. Daily active addresses are ridiculous right now. A million people using Solana daily. I'm not one of them, all right? No, it's great to see. It's great to see, and there's a ton of money being made on the network with a decentralized exchange volume of almost $1 billion every day. So Solana is doing great. Technically, it's also still bullish, but what I said yesterday is that I would have thought if $76 and $75 broke, which it did in the morning yesterday, I would have thought that we would actually find support there and rally up to $86. Now, what I did say in the video is that we would test $80, which we tested the regions, and that from there was still a chance that from 80 we would drop down below $75 and $76, after which we would probably drop down lower towards 70, 67 maybe, and then from there rally again. So that seems to have happened, and now the main question then would be, well, what's next then? Are we still going to rally? And I do think that's most likely. I mean, it's the weekend, which is usually, what happens is that the volume starts dropping down, right? And when the volume starts dropping down, volatility or more volatility is possible. Right now you have a major support level for Solana, really around $68, but let's just say that's $67 and $70. So what I expect, you can see that we had a bit of a bearish breakout here, and it seems like Solana will respect that. So I think we'll test out those support levels. And at this moment, fundamentally and technically, I see no reason why that support would not hold. And then from that support, I do still expect Solana to eventually break above 76 and 75 again. And then this time around, find resistance at 80, but not too much, and rally up to the next price target at $86 and $88. So far, in all of my analysis on Solana, I have always called the resistance levels correctly. Now, at some point of time, it's probably not going to be as bullish anymore, of course, as it is right now, but I don't think it's over yet. All right, there's definitely a possibility. I mean, if Bitcoin, the volume for Bitcoin this weekend also seems to be dropping down quite severely, so that means that volatility is also possible for Bitcoin. So if for some reason Bitcoin actually falls down rapidly on Sunday/Monday, which I don't expect that. That's why I'm telling you I think this is most likely. I don't expect it because it happened last week already. But if that happens, if Bitcoin really starts falling like this again, then Solana will drop down lower. But I think ultimately $86 and $88 is still to be expected. Sorry for my nose. Again, I tried everything I could, but for now, these are my thoughts on Solana. And that's most important, I think. So if you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you all for watching and listening. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group down in the description or the pinned comment. And I'll see you all later.